Why do lithium-ion batteries inside cell phones explode, and how can you avoid it? Lithium-ion batteries are commonly used in smartphones due to their high energy density, lightweight nature, and ability to be recharged. While they provide numerous advantages, they can pose risks if not handled or manufactured properly. Lithium-ion batteries consist of several components, including a positive electrode, cathode, a negative electrode, anode, and an electrolyte solution. The cathode is typically made of lithium cobalt oxide, while the anode is usually made of graphite. These electrodes are separated by a thin polymer separator, which allows the flow of lithium ions between them during charging and discharging. The electrolyte solution inside the battery serves as a medium for the lithium ions to move between the electrodes. It is typically composed of lithium salts dissolved in an organic solvent. When a lithium-ion battery is functioning normally, lithium ions move from the cathode to the anode during charging and in the opposite direction during discharging, creating an electric current that powers the device. However, if the components of a lithium-ion battery break or become compromised, it can lead to a series of events that may result in a volatile reaction or even an explosion. There are several factors that can contribute to such incidents. Physical damage, dropping, crushing, or puncturing a smartphone can cause internal damage to the battery. If the electrodes or the separator get damaged and come into direct contact with each other, it can lead to a short circuit within the battery. Overcharging a lithium-ion battery can cause the electrodes to break down and create internal shorts. Excessive voltage can lead to the formation of metal dendrites on the electrodes, which can pierce through the separator and cause a short circuit. High temperatures, exposure to high temperatures, either external or internal, can be detrimental to lithium-ion batteries. Elevated temperatures can accelerate chemical reactions within the battery, causing a buildup of gas and internal pressure. This increased pressure can rupture the battery casing and lead to an explosion. Manufacturing defects. Poorly manufactured lithium-ion batteries may have flaws in their design, construction, or materials, increasing the risk of failures. These defects can lead to short circuits or other malfunctions, which may result in hazardous incidents. To minimize the risks associated with lithium-ion batteries, manufacturers implement safety mechanisms, such as protective circuitry and thermal sensors, to regulate charging, prevent overcharging, and detect abnormal temperature rises. Additionally, users should handle their smartphones and batteries with care, avoiding physical damage and exposure to extreme temperatures. Do not overcharge your battery. Do not puncture the battery. Do not expose the battery to extreme heat. Do not drop the battery. Use a genuine charger that is compatible with your smartphone. If you think that your battery may be damaged, take it to a qualified technician for repair. By following these tips, you can help to reduce the risk of a lithium-ion battery fire or explosion. It's important to note that while lithium-ion battery incidents can occur, they are relatively rare compared to the vast number of devices in use. The technology continues to improve, and industry standards and regulations aim to enhance the safety of lithium-ion batteries in consumer electronics.